Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hedge Lee with a morning update for Bitcoin. Let's do a quick review of what I had presented so far. First is out of the triangle pattern formation, where you get an A, B, C, D, E. I had marked out the dollar value targets for the D and the E. This is the primary target. We have started seeing some change yesterday in the tick upward of the MACD. The second one is the bear flag, A, B, C, D, E, marked out the top, and I described the critical juncture point that we could get into once the bounce starts exceeding to a higher highs. I want to now share with you something that's been on my mind for a little while. I didn't put it on the table. I didn't want to rattle any cages because sometimes for newbies, seeing too many alternate accounts can seem overly conflicting because it's very difficult to select which one from which. So here is a third count. So we have the triangle. But from this triangle instead, what could happen is, from the labeling perspective, is that this could be A, B, C. And this would be called a zigzag. Or 5, 3, 5. And just to give you the didactic meaning of the zigzag, if you have an ABC, you count the subwaves. So the A wave would have 5 subwaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The B wave would have 3 subwaves, A, B, C. And the C wave always has 5 subwaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why it's called 5, 3, 5 for zigzag. If we put that into the application, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Subways having completed for A. Then we can count 3 waves for B. A, B, C. And then there will be a 5 wave down for C. And that could be counted as 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wrong label. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, this fits the 5, 3, 5 scenario. I had been aware of this for a while, but I didn't put it on the table because I don't want to rattle cages. Neither am I saying this is my primary count. However, it's come now where the price is sitting on the support again. And that being the case, if this support does break, if it is decisively breached at well below the B, at 11,600, let's say, then we have a potential trajectory for the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves of the C wave. Now, you can look at this from the perspective of fear and panic, or look at it from the perspective of confidence and awareness. For those of us who were able to raise cash, and ideally that should have been the situation, if your portfolio currently holds a good amount of cash, fiat cash, a bargain sale could be potential here. Now this could be a little lower than here because as you can see, this is the first major support zone. Second is here, and the third is here in the 6,000s. And during the June, July correction as well as the fall correction, this is what I did. I drew horizontal lines to the support areas. For the laddered zones of where the bottom could be, if this is what happens. So as we go, I think we need to see if we can counter subwaves to get a better quote-unquote geo positioning. This support had been pretty sturdy for a while. Let's see how it holds up. It is not the time to be panicking. It is never time to be panicking or fearful. The time to raise cash was here and here, or anywhere here. But it's okay. This isn't going to go to zero. Even here at ABC, if this happens, it's a healthy correction. It's a healthy correction from a two-step forward, one-step back perspective. Without corrections, prices cannot continue going up. But let's watch carefully today how this support holds. And this could be the line in the sand in changing from the triangle to the ABC. All right. Now, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I hope this has been informative for you. Quite a few people have already benefited with a coaching session with me. And if you can find that to be something that could potentially help you, let me know. I'll be happy to help. My email here. If you can please reserve any other questions or request for analysis and not send it to this email address, that'll be really helpful. All right. If there's anything urgent that comes out today, I'll definitely put out a midday update. Meanwhile, have a wonderful day.